Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to redeem Groupon Costco membership. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to redeem a Groupon Costco membership, first what you need to do is you will need a Groupon Costco membership voucher and email address, photo ID for in-store pickup. So what you need to do now is simply open up the Groupon application and be sure to be logged into your account. Then once logged into your account, simply tap on My Stuff on the right corner of your screen, and once you're inside here, simply select Groupons from the top. Now once you're inside My Groupons, simply tap on your Costco membership deal, and then once you're inside there, read the redemption instructions carefully. Most Costco Groupon include a promo code or redemption link. If you see a redemption link, simply tap on that and you will be redirected to the Costco redeem link or page. And then once you're inside there, what you need to do is select new member, and Groupon deals are usually for new members only. Then once done, simply enter your personal details and the promo code from the coupon, and then simply submit the form. And once done, you will receive a confirmation email from Costco. My next step is you can get your Costco card as well in store. Simply go to any Costco warehouse, visit the membership counter and show your confirmation email, valid photo ID, and they'll print your Costco membership card. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.